Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice log question. Trust me, you can actually do this orally if you know one single rule of log, which states that log, okay, log of any number, okay, to any base, okay, log of a to the base b if you have, and it's written to equal to some value which is m. So I can get rid of the log and I can say a equals to b raised to m. So you're also in this first step only I can get rid of this log and this will become what? 3 log to the base 2 of the bracket 1 plus log to the base 3 1 plus 2 times log to the base 2 of x. Okay. This will be equal to what? 9 raised to half. That means it is what? Square root of 9, that comes out to be 3. Now in the next step, what you see is you will divide both sides by 3. The 3 and 3 is cancelling. So you're just left with what? 1. In the next step, you need to get rid of this log, which will now become what? Everything will now become equal to 2 raised to 1. That is nothing but what? 1 plus log of to the base 3. So 1 plus 2 times log of x to the base 2. Okay. And in order to get rid of this 1, you will subtract 1 from both sides. So I'm left with what? Just 1. And in order to get rid of this log, also this base over here will become what? Here it was 1. So this will become 1 was index. So 3 raised to 1. So I'm left with what? 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2. Now cancelling 1 from both sides means you're subtracting 1 from both sides. You're left with what? 2 log x to the base 2 equals to 2. In order to find the value of x, you will divide both sides by what? 2. So this is coming out to be 1. Okay. So basically now your entire question changed to so simple. This has become log of x to the base 2 equals to 1. Now getting rid of this log, I need to shift this 2 on this side. So you will have what? X equals to 2 raised to 1, that is equals to just 2. So I hope you've understood how easily you could do this particular question. Okay, and trust me, 90% of the people failed because they didn't know this particular, or they didn't understand the exact use of this particular law of logarithm. Okay, so I hope that is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.